this toy. It is Mosa, Liya. You did Mosa to me. It is Poppy.
Which is my favorite food.
Magic, it's magic. ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಲಿಯಾನ ಗೆಸ್ ದ ಟಾಯ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆರ್ ಯು ರೆಡಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್, ಲಿಯಾ?
Yeah.
ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಗೇಮ್? ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್? ಗೆಸ್ ದ ಟಾಯ್.
Guess the toy inside.
Okay. I have one toy of yours, okay? You have to guess what is that.
Where did you brought it from?
I will give clue.
Where did you brought it from?
Can you close for a few minutes? I will show them which toy.
Wait.
This toy, okay? This toy. It is Mosa, Liya. Cheating illa. No cheating, Liya.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Amma will give clue, okay? Are you open? ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲೂ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
We got it from Mayu.
You know the toy, huh? You did Mosa to me. You cheated.
No.
Did you saw when you do like this? You saw, right?
No.
Okay, tell me which color it is.
I don't know the color, but I know the creature.
What?
It's the caterpillar Gosasida.
Really? Are you serious?
Yeah.
It is really intense.
Damn!
Don't show. Close it like this.
Okay.
You have to give clue, okay, no? Can I open my eyes?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
Any guesses? Give me clue.
okay. It has a nose that can turn.
Tell me.
It has a nose that can turn and has a cute fish that can only sit, and I play with it every day.
Really?
And
Cute, huh?
yeah,
You will take that toy to school also.
yeah.
It is Poppy.
Damn!
It is Poppy. Ivaga my turn, right? Ivaga I will ask some question to you, okay? You have to tell which one I like or what. Okay? Are you ready for that, Liya? Amman's favorite tindi ಏನು?
Near Pundi.
Okay, now ನೀನು ಕೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ question.
Which is my favorite food.
It is ragi sari.
No.
Gobi popcorn. Okay, next.
Which is my favorite drink?
Drink soda.
No, it's wrong. It was Fanta.
Fanta, it is soda only, right?
No, Fanta is a different kind of one.
It is soda only. Soda
Not
but different color.
No, Fanta it has orange and Pop Rocks.
Oh, okay. Now my turn, right?
Yeah.
My favorite color. Sit, you can
Pink,
no, not pink.
purple
Sit properly. First.
purple
Come here.
and black.
No purple. Black, correct. Another one.
Red.
Red and black. Now your turn. You ask.
Which is my favorite color?
Red and blue.
Yeah.
I have to ask, right? Question. Okay. ನನಗೆ ಮನೇಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ?
Play.
ಏನು ಪ್ಲೇ?
Playing with me.
Yeah, right. Now your turn.
Who likes me the most? Me. Yeah.
ನಾಳೆ ನಿಂದು ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಡೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಡೇ, ರೈಟ್? ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ನೇಮ್? Magic, it's magic.
It's magic.
It's magic.
It's magic. It's magic.
It is ಒಂದು ಫನ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ನನಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಲಿಯಾನು ಫನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವನು ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಾವು ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಈ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿಟ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಲಿಯನ್ ರಾಗಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ. ಕುಕುಮ, ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕಾಫಿ ಇಷ್ಟನಾ, ಟೀ ಇಷ್ಟನಾ, ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟ? ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್?
Coffee.
Only one thing you have to tell.
Coffee.
Yeah, black coffee. Sometimes, but I like most what? Tea, right? I drink tea, but nowadays I'll drink black coffee, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
ಲಿಯನ್ನ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾರು?
Amma kiss.
ಲಿಯನ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾರು?
Amma.
ಲಿಯನ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಬೈಯೋದು ಯಾರು?
Amma.
ಲಿಯನ್ನ ತುಂಬ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾರು?
Amma.
ಲಿಯನ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ?
Amma.
ನಮ್ಮನೇಲಿ ತುಂಬ ತಂಟೆ ಕೋರೆ ಯಾರು?
Amma.
ಓಕೆ, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕುಕು, ಹೇಳು ನೀನು, ಹೇಳು.
I can say something else.
Yeah, you have. Acha, if you like Amma's video, please subscribe
Subscribe.
Amman channel.
Woo!